Hey guys, what's up? This is Tony from digitalreadymarketing.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to steal your competitors' keywords by using SEMrush and Excel. So as you can see on the screen right here, I have already went through the steps to create this table. And what I did was I basically categorized the keywords based on different categories. And I align my competitors side by side. In this instance, I only use 2 competitors, but you can use as many as you want. And I have put the search volume in one column, average position on the other, and so that I can see right away which website performs better for which category. So for example, Backlinko, it doesn't seem to have any affiliate marketing content, whereas it is very strong for SEO. And compared to that, my site has some affiliate marketing content, but not very strong in SEO. And this can also be seen by just looking at the average position, not just from the search volume. And when you click into it, you will be able to see exactly which keyword that Backlinko is ranking for, which keyword my site is ranking for or not ranking for. And the other one I use is SEO Interactive. So what SEO Interactive is ranking for. So, you know, it's very easy for you to see, okay, so here's the keyword that my competitor is ranking for. It is doing pretty well or not very well. And then if I don't have any, I should create a content about that particular topic. Now, because this is a pivot table, you can change the field pretty easily. I have left the URL in there so that if you like, you can actually put this down here. And by doing that, you will be able to see exactly which URL is ranking for which keyword. You can also drag and drop keyword difficulty here to see which competitor has aggregated keyword difficulty, how many keywords that, depending on the keywords that you're ranking for, obviously it adds up all the keyword difficulty, so that the more keyword difficulty, that sort of correlates to how many keywords, how many difficult keyword it is ranking for. So you can kind of gauge and see roughly your competitors' strength, ranking strength, so to speak. You can also add that in the filter field here, so that let's say I want to find anything and everything that is around keyword difficulty 70. So by just inputting in there, I can see, okay, so there's 70 keyword difficulty keywords here. This is the URL that it's ranking for. And then, of course, I can also sort it out based on the questions. So let's say, okay, I want to see how related keywords, and I can do this by just clicking on a couple buttons and filter for how related keywords, and I can see, okay, I don't have any, but Backlinko does have a lot. And looking at SEO Interactive, it also has some. It also ranks for quite a lot. So that's the kind of keyword and the competitor analysis that we can do, and allow you to easily filter out based on the category, based on different metrics essentially. So if you're interested in finding out exactly how I created this, and I'll include a link at the end of the video. Also, I'll have it up on the top here somewhere in the video, so that you can click on the link and go find out more. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.